Hey, what's up going on, everybody? What's up? It's Bitcoin Chris checking in once again. Happy Wednesday, happy hump day. And I'm actually about to go into boxing. You know, I be boxing now because I'm on this weight loss journey, guys, and I'm trying to get back into shape. Well, I'm not out of shape. Well, I was out of shape. I'm not too bad now, but let me grab my, we do the boxing around here. So I've been doing a lot more exercising. I've been eating right. I've been juicing. I've been making sure I take my walks. I've been praying. I've been meditating. I feel so much better. I lost a lot of weight already, so I'm trying to come down probably 10 more pounds, 10 to 20 more pounds. So we'll see that progress. But happy Wednesday, everybody. Much love. And I'm going to be making a video later on tonight at the crib. And what I'm going to do is show you guys my Swan account and pretty much go over some news, because I know a bunch of stuff happened today. So I like the guy getting stabbed in San Francisco, the creator of Cash App. So it's crazy out here. Be safe in LA, guys. Be safe wherever you are. New York, LA, USA we're a little bit crazy out here nowadays, and just be safe and be good. But for right now, we're going to jump into the Bitcoin price. Make sure you hit that like, make sure you share it, make sure you subscribe, and let's jump into the Bitcoin price. All right, so daily bull flag still looking pretty good. Pulling back a little bit, but we're still green. We are still green. So what we're going to do is we are going to jump into the 4-hour chart. All right, on the 4-hour, let's see what's going on with market cipher. We're coming down, so I expect us to come down. Money flow looks like it's leaving, so I can see us coming down. Did we get the red dot? Yeah, we got the red dot at 8 o'clock this morning. So if you would have shorted, if you trade at 8 o'clock this morning, you would have made some money. But we did bounce here, at about 27,781. So we did bounce, and looking like we could come down. And I did show some alerts here. Let's jump into Twitter. Let's check out the alerts that I sent out from previous videos. Shout out to everybody that likes, shares, subscribed to my YouTube channel. I appreciate you guys so much. Even the comments, rest in peace, Dan. That means a lot to me, and just you guys commenting, and it means a lot to me. So thank you guys for commenting, commenting on my videos. Much love, and I appreciate it. One thing I do, I got mad love and respect for 19 Keys, man, but he don't know what he's talking about, guys. Look, listen to this. Not a good thing, this is decentralization. He has not done his research, yet he has .eth in his name, and he's supposed to be this very, very astute individual, which he can be in many other aspects. But when it comes to money and when it comes to Bitcoin, this man does not know what he's talking about. He's talking about centralization because MicroStrategy owns 1 out of every 150 Bitcoin. How is that 1 out of 150? That's not even a lot. Okay, so first and foremost, that's not even a lot. I said it doesn't surprise me, to be honest, because you haven't done your research at all, and we can clearly tell based on the comment that he just made and the tweet that he made. And then also he has .eth in his name. So what do you expect? What do you expect, guys? I don't expect too much from this individual, to be honest with you, when it comes to the new age money and Bitcoin. So you got a lot of people, just telling them what the deal is. Not at all. Bitcoin Zay is on here. Let me see his reply, and also the Wealth Scrap. Shout out to Chris. He's been helping people out for a long time with money, and I've been watching his journey. But Bitcoin Zay said centralization is based on nodes, not the amount of Bitcoin owned. The solution Bitcoin solved is that no matter how rich he is, he can't change the rules. 100% correct, 100% accurate. And let me go ahead and retweet that. Even Wealth Scott Chris, this is Chris Johnson. He was actually buying a bunch of shitcoins back in the day as well. And I tweeted at him many times. And I said, hey, man, you probably need to just lay off the shit coins, because, you're going to lose your money. I don't know if you saw my tweets or not, and it really doesn't matter if you saw it or not. He has money. He can do whatever he wants. He's a grown-ass adult. But I was just trying to, encourage and make sure he knows the dangers of buying shit coins. So he actually owns a lot of Bitcoin, and he's been buying the dip and whatnot. So I do believe that I've had some kind of influence on that, because I've been telling him for in the bull market that he should just focus on Bitcoin. And he's been buying Bitcoin and Ethereum, and that's cool. Buy what you want. But now he owns a lot of Bitcoin, and even he understands it. He can't make any Bitcoin decisions because he owns a bunch. Can't change any protocols. Can't do anything but own it, and that is also correct. That is also correct. So shout out to the people that done their research and did the work, because if you don't know what you're talking about, you know, the people who are astute and have knowledge in this space are going to call you out on it. Just like myself, just like Bitcoin Zay, just like Chris Johnson, you know, just like everybody else, you know, Max Kaiser and all the countless other Bitcoiners in the space. So 6 hours ago, got the alert, 28,000, which I said in a previous video we could come down and hit. We did hit that. I thought this was funny, me watching the no corners in 2023. We're just watching you guys. We're just watching you guys. Blue wave going down. I said, oh no, pullback. I got the alert set, and what do? We started to come down. Let's see. This guy here, he's cool and all. He always talks about Bitcoin going down, and he's always wrong. So I told him he dropped his brain, because, you know, he's a boomer, and, you know, they always want to short Bitcoin. They don't even understand. A lot of people that talk crap about Bitcoin don't even understand what money is and what Bitcoin really is about. So I just love to antagonize and talk crap to people online. It's super funny to me. And the second alert, an hour ago, which I tweeted about 7 hours ago, which was coming down, which I also mentioned in the previous video. So, you know, those alerts that I always show you guys on these videos, I make sure to tweet them out as well. That way, you know, if my predictions or price range and targets are actually being hit, and they have been getting hit. They always get hit. So shout out to me, you know, shout out to me. I think I do a pretty good job at that. And what I'm going to do is just reset these indicators. 28,000. Let's come back down to 28,000. Let me save that. Cool. Let's see here. I think we hit 28.3. Let me just change that to 28.350. Boom. All right, so we'll be notified if that hits. We still have an alert at 28.7, another alert at 28.8, and then another alert at 29.2, basically. All right, 29.197. My apologies. All right, so let's jump down to the hourly chart. Let's see what's going to happen here in the short term. All right, so we came all the way down. We came down past the level that I said, 28,000. We came all the way down to 27,783, and we bounced. So looks like we are pumping. Let's go to a market cipher real quick. Market cipher turning up on the hourly chart. So it looks like we're going to be going up here. Money flow is starting to, it was coming, let's see, at 8 o'clock last night. Came up, started to come down. VWAP coming down. Excuse me. Money flow is looking like it's leaving, so it's not looking too good short term. However, we have the momentum wave coming up, but what I think is going to happen is we could hit one of these, double bottom, and then come back up. So we'll see how that goes actually in the next few hours, because this is going to take some time to play out, and this is not looking too good because of the money flow here. Looks like it's curving out, so this could also come back up and do that. We'll see how that plays out as well. Let's see, go back to the chart here. We are looking pretty good for a nice little rally here. You know, some people probably got faked out, and I'm pretty sure the longs got clapped. Pretty predictable, right? Because a lot of people, like I said last night, probably went long once they saw that we were pumping, and you know, longs got clapped here, shorts got clapped here, and then right back down, longs got clapped again. So, you know, these exchanges and these whales play games, and you know, they like to liquidate everybody that's playing, that's over leveraging, you know, and you know, that's part of the game. So here looks like we are coming up. I think we could, let's see where I think we could go from here, because again, the momentum waves is looking pretty bullish right now. I think we could come up, but again, I think we could double bottom again. Where do we do that here? All right, so right here we did that. So here, touch, and then we came up a little bit. So I think that same thing could happen. Or we could just come right back up. Let me draw that. Or we can just come right back up and continue to pump. So we'll see how that plays out over the next few hours. With that being said, I definitely wanted to shout out Cindy and everyone else that has been commenting and, you know, being... This is funny. Shout out to everyone that's been commenting and just everyone that's subscribed. I love you guys, and shout out to you guys. And, you know, appreciate you guys. You know, I'm just trying to give my insight and help those see the light and help those to stack Bitcoin, because I understand the power of Bitcoin, and I've been buying Bitcoin since 2016, 2017. I've been telling people to buy since 2016, 2017. Those who listen have been rewarded massively. Also on my Facebook page, I've had people also say, hey, Chris, I remember you talking about it back in 2016 or even before then. So, you know, after a while, it's like, okay, are you going to listen, or are you guys just going to still not listen? Because a lot of people don't listen, you know, and they don't understand, and they don't want to do their due diligence and do their research, and, you know, but shout out to everybody that does understand and everybody that does do their own due diligence and everybody that did do their research. Because if you understand how the money works and the money printing and inflation and what's going on with the banks, and the world is just going crazy right now. So Bitcoin is your safest bet. Stack away. Having some Bitcoin is better than having no Bitcoin. And go to swanbitcoin.com/Bitcoin Chris to get $10 free Bitcoin. That way you can DCA. And whatever your budget is, just make sure you stack away, guys. What's going on here? I'll see. I don't know what's going on with the link, so I'll make sure to double check on that link. But anyways,
This is Bitcoin Chris checking out once again. We will see you guys on the next video. Much love, you guys. Peace.